Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, but we're going to embrace the nerd side. What does that mean? It means that we're going to do a Loot Crate unboxing. So there's a bunch of different Loot Crate plans that you can get. I get the Harry Potter plan, hence I'm wearing the golden snitch.
I got 99 problems, but a snitch ain't one. Hit me!
With my Alex and Annie bangles. And I also do the Lootwearables, where I get a article of clothing and also 2 pairs of socks. There's a bunch of different other plans. There's like a Halo plan, Firefly plan. A lot of people have asked me why I don't get the Hello Kitty or the anime plan. I had the Hello Kitty plan for a year and I already had similar items to it, so I just didn't feel like I was getting like the most use out of it. Since I'm already a huge Hello Kitty fan, I have a lot of things Hello Kitty. And with anime, like, it's gonna sound weird because I am a huge anime fan, but I feel like the anime that is catered to the Loot Crate is just like the types I'm not into. Like, I'm really into like Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, Dragon Ball Z, Inuyasha, Bleach, but I feel like a lot of the anime that's in the Loot Crate boxes are some that I honestly probably couldn't even name any of them just because I haven't heard of them before. That's just the only reason why I don't. If I was guaranteed what I liked, like what I mentioned plus some others, I would definitely get it. But that's what the Loot Vault is for, so any items that I know of, I can always just purchase there. I will leave a link down below to subscribe to Loot Crate. With the Harry Potter Loot Crate, you can get a 1 month, a 3 month, or a 6 month plan. The Harry Potter Loot Crate boxes are shipped out on the odd months of the year. Depending on how many boxes you purchase, you can save a little bit of money up front. And then the Lootwearables I get every single month. You can either buy them in a monthly increment, once a month, like just keep going, or you can do a yearly plan as well. So I had the yearly plan for both of these. This is actually the January box for the Harry Potter Loot Crate. It shipped out late. They were late on getting a product that was supposed to be featured in the box, and they ended up revoking it and giving us a $15 credit to the Loot Vault to purchase any item we wanted to. I'll show you what items I purchased with my $15, and then the Loot Wearable is for the month of February. I just thought this would be fun just to change it up a little bit, just to show a different side of me and show you some fun other goodies that I get as well. If you're new to my channel, hello, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and ring the notification bell to be notified for future content. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed seeing this kind of unboxing. I can always do more nerdy, geeky videos as well because it is a part of me. I can already tell I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this video, so let's jump in. I'll first show you the items that I got with that $15 credit. So when they first issued the credit, I was kind of like, there's nothing on here for me, but they always email you frequently, and I saw that they had a Bob's Burgers item, and I was like, I had no idea Loot Crate was carrying Bob's Burgers, so I wanted free shipping. You know, when you do shopping, you're just like, oh yeah, I don't mind paying $30, but that $5.99 shipping,
It's a trap!
so I kind of had that moment because I really wanted the free shipping, so I ended up getting 2 things instead of 1. The first item that I got was the Louise leggings. I am obsessed with Louise. I have a Coochie Copy. Louise is like my spirit animal. I can relate to her on another level, and she's just very sarcastic, very funny, and I aspire to be her.
It's like I'm sad for another person?
Not as extreme. I just thought they were really cute. I know it's all over pattern, so some people are kind of like, oh, with all over leggings, but with like a hoodie that I'm wearing right now, which is a solid color, it's something I could just easily slap on later. I also got the Tina leggings as well because this was one of my favorite episodes about her erotic fan fiction. Her and Jimmy Jr. just cracked me up. It's really adorable. Griffin and I cosplayed them for Halloween. It was just a lot of fun, so I can also relate to Tina as well, and Griffin can relate to Jimmy Jr. It was a lot of fun just purchasing these items, but I was just kind of disappointed that I wasn't going to get another Harry Potter item for my collection because they like to customize it from whatever house you're in. I get a lot of Slytherin items, and I just wanted to keep building that, but it's okay. I got some Bob's Burgers because I don't have as much Bob's Burgers apparel or decorations. It was just really nice to add these items to that. Alright, let's jump into the Harry Potter unboxing. So this is what the inside looks like. Each box is kind of different. The last box was like a Marauder map. It's just really cool that each box is themed a little differently. Each box comes with one of these letters describing which products that are in the box. So January's theme is the ties that bind us, and we receive 4 items. Usually we receive about 5 to 6, but it goes back to using that credit. So the first item is the Harry Potter Wand Collection book. It is a book that describes everyone's wands, and it shows like people's like respective wands as well. Like for example, this is Luna's. So it's just really cool to kind of being educated on the different wands, whose wands is whose, and just kind of understanding the different types, like what goes into wands, you know, like the different woods, the lengths, unicorn hair, phoenix hair, etc. I think it's kind of cute. My man Lucius at the end there. It's definitely different. I don't really own many books like these from Harry Potter. I just own like the normal books plus the illustrated copies of the series. They only have Sorcerer's Stone through Azkaban right now, and I plan on purchasing the other 4 when they are released. Every Harry Potter loot crate comes with a pin, so I'm going to open this up. I have a lanyard that it has like all of the different Harry Potter pins and some other Loot Crate pins that I've received before. Oh, that's pretty. It's the Ravenclaw pin. It's just really cool to just get like fun things, you know. At Disney, I loved collecting the pins of like the different characters. I'm starting a Harry Potter one as well. The third product is a Slytherin tie. I don't know when I would wear a tie. Griffin's in Gryffindor, so I don't really know what I would do with a Slytherin tie, but it's just cool. I guess I could wear a button down with this. And then the last product, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a scarf. I think this is like the 3rd scarf I've received in a Harry Potter loot crate. They sent out a Slytherin one, and now this. This is the Black family tree. Oh, okay. So it has Sirius Black's family tree all over this. That's pretty cool. It's all over, and I like Sirius as a character. So like overall, you could probably tell I'm not really feeling this box. I just don't know. I mean, I think they kind of gave up in this, and I'm kind of disappointed because it's the first box of the year, and it's just kind of like meh. I just don't see myself getting much use out of these, and it really sucks. It's my first unboxing on my YouTube of this because I love the Harry Potter loot crates that I've received in the past. I received stationery, like I said, I got a Slytherin scarf, all these other cool Slytherin items. This is just kind of meh.
You think I don't know how this feels? Oh, you don't know how it feels!
Even though like the Bob's Burger leggings are cool, like I would have liked to seen something else. So I'm really hoping March's box is a little bit more exciting than this. Something I can get use out of. That's the thing with subscriptions, you know, you can't really be upset with it because you're paying an X amount and you're getting all of these products. So even though like this was a miss, it's still pretty cool. I think my favorite product from the box is the Wand Collection book, just to educate myself further, just because I really don't know what goes into everyone's wands. Like the books kind of touch on it, but to get a more in-depth idea, that's kind of cool to me. So, and especially since I'm on a reading kick lately, that seems pretty cool. And all these items are exclusive to Loot Crate. I don't think you can get them anywhere else. I think if they have like some excess products, they will put some of these items available on the Loot Vault. So definitely check that out if you're not subscribed to Loot Crate, and if you're interested in any of these products or any like the past products, definitely check out the Loot Vault. So now we're gonna jump into the Lootwearables for February. I haven't opened it, so I don't even know what the theme is. I don't look at those emails or go on the Loot Crate site just to see, which is really nice because I know some sites like BoxyCharm and Fortune Cookie Sip spoil a lot of sneak peeks, and I try to avoid them as best as I can, but Loot Crate I know is definitely one that I just go in blind. So let's check it out. So you get 2 pairs of socks and you get some kind of apparel item. I've received the joggers, hoodies, shirts, etc. This is going to be a shirt for this month. Oh, it's long sleeve. Is this Black Panther? Yeah! That's the Panther, right? Yeah! This is pretty cool. Griffin's eyeing it right now. He's like, man, I want that shirt. I really enjoyed the Black Panther movie. I thought I wasn't gonna like it as much as I did, and I loved it. And I am loving this long sleeve shirt. I usually share my Lootwearables with Griffin, but this is one I'm not gonna share with him. This makes up for the Harry Potter. This is really exciting. And then I got 2 pairs of socks. Oh, you're gonna want the cat socks. Oh, I know they're dragons. We're gonna cut that out.
Nope.
These are How to Train Your Dragon socks. They're really cute. I really like Loot Crate socks because they're long enough for like the fall and winter seasons to wear with my boots. These are so cute, Toothless. Danny, if you're watching, I know you're gonna take these from me. Not.
Fake.
And And then, oh gosh, Ashley, Katie, and Kaylee would fight over these Wonder Woman socks. These are really cute as well. Their socks are really good quality. They're thick, but they're not too hot, so I like to sleep in them. Like I said, wear them with boots. If I would wear them with my shorts, if that was still a trend, like how it was in middle school, I would still rock it. Lootwearables for February was definitely a win. I'm so sorry, Harry Potter. I still love you. March. We're going to redeem in March, and we will do episode 2, and it will be a lot better. I can definitely tell, like, my whole emotions definitely changed with the Lootwearables. I'm so happy, because at first I was gonna say I really hope Lootwearables is good. Otherwise, I'm scrapping this video, but this is awesome. I am really, really pleased with the wearables. And what's great is, like, the wearables, like, when you do the bundle, I think it averages out to be either $15 to $20 a month. So long sleeve shirts on average are about $20 to $25. Socks, I don't know for like these types of socks, but like the ankle socks with characters on them, I think at Target you can get them for $8, and I think it's double the price at Hot Topic. Really, really good deal, and like really good quality, so really excited. I'm not leaving these guys out. Really excited about these two. This concludes the Harry Potter January 2018 Loot Crate unboxing and the Lootwearables February 2018 unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this. It means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed me changing things up a little bit. Thank you for your love and support. Like I said, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed a video like this. I will definitely do another video. I think I'm gonna do loot wearable blogs when I don't get a Harry Potter box as well. So that means odd months I will do a video, even months I will just do a blog to show you guys what I got. I like expressing my nerdy side. Sometimes I struggle with it because I can be a little embarrassed of what I really like, but I have no shame showing that in my YouTube videos because for like the past 2 or 3 videos I have made a Yu-Gi-Oh reference in it. Stay tuned for the next episode, and P.S. Chaz it up.